Railroad Preserver 2000 here, back again doing another video here. And guys, welcome to Jasper, Georgia. And this is Jasper, Georgia's railroad depot here. As you can see, the railroad line that runs through here has some track work equipment here on being stored. So I'm going to do a quick walk around to show the depot. It's not open to the public, I'd imagine, since the railroad still uses it. So I figured I might as well come here and see it because I was asleep when we were coming back from Hickory when we first saw it. So yeah, I figured I'd come back and oh geez. So yeah. Jasper Junction. Can we see inside? I don't. See some of the ticket window there. Ow. Here's the platform side of the track. In fact, here's the actual platform. It's still in place. And there's the telegraph window. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see y'all later.